Top 5 Best Wedding Album. Number 5. Art Style Albums Wedding Album 10 by 10. The Art Style Albums Wedding Album is a classic choice for couples who prefer a timeless and elegant approach to preserving their wedding memories. This 10 by 10 inch album offers a perfect balance of size and capacity, allowing you to compile a comprehensive collection of your favorite wedding photos. The album is crafted with attention to detail, featuring a leather cover with an intricate, embossed design. It exudes a sense of luxury and sophistication, making it a splendid addition to your coffee table or bookshelf. The thick, archival-grade pages ensure that your photos will remain vibrant and vivid for generations to come. Art Style Albums offers various customization options, allowing you to choose the cover material, color, and even embossing to make the album uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a classic black leather album or a more modern design, this album provides options to suit your style. In summary, the Art Style Albums Wedding Album is a beautiful choice for couples who appreciate traditional elegance and exceptional craftsmanship in their wedding album. Coming in number 4. Kate and Laurel Bordeaux Gallery Wall Frame and Shelf Kit. If you're looking for a unique and artistic way to display your wedding photos, the Kate and Laurel Bordeaux Gallery Wall Frame and Shelf Kit is a top pick. This kit allows you to create a gallery-style display that not only showcases your photos, but also adds an elegant and decorative touch to your home. The kit includes a variety of frame sizes and styles, making it easy to create a personalized gallery wall with your wedding photos. The frames are designed with a sophisticated, distressed finish that adds a vintage and rustic charm to your pictures. The set also includes a display shelf for adding decorative items or smaller photos. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. You can continually update and refresh the display with new photos or artwork, making it a dynamic and ever-evolving showcase of your love story. The Kate and Laurel Bordeaux Gallery Wall Frame and Shelf Kit is an excellent choice for couples who want to transform their wedding photos into a beautiful home decor piece. Coming in number 3. HoneyTolly Super Large Photo Album Self-Adhesive Scrapbook. The HoneyTolly Super Large Photo Album is an excellent choice for couples who love the DIY approach and prefer self-adhesive pages. This scrapbook-style album offers versatility and creativity in preserving your wedding memories. Measuring at a whopping 14 by 13 inches, it provides plenty of space for all your photos and allows room for writing notes or adding decorative elements. What makes this album stand out is the self-adhesive design, eliminating the need for glue or tapes. This simplifies the process of organizing and displaying your photos. The pages are also made of high-quality, acid-free materials to ensure your photos remain in top condition for years to come. The album's cover is available in a variety of elegant designs and colors, allowing you to choose one that matches your wedding theme or personal style. Its large size, flexibility, and user-friendly features make the HoneyTolly Super Large Photo Album an excellent choice for couples who want to create a customized wedding album that's as unique as their love story. Coming in number 2. Savor Deluxe Personalized Wedding Keepsake Box. The Savor Deluxe Personalized Wedding Keepsake Box is a one-of-a-kind treasure chest for your wedding mementos. This album is not just about preserving photos, it's about capturing the essence of your entire wedding experience. Designed to hold a wide array of items, it's a unique blend of a photo album and a keepsake box. The Savor Deluxe box is customizable, allowing you to add your names, wedding date, and a personal message on the cover. The inside compartments are meticulously designed to store your wedding invitations, guest book, vows, and more. It's an organized and artistic way to cherish your wedding keepsakes. The acid-free envelopes, pockets, and folders inside ensure the safety of your precious items for years to come. The high-quality craftsmanship of the box and the attention to detail make it a splendid addition to your wedding memorabilia. If you want a complete wedding keepsake solution that goes beyond just photos, the Savor Deluxe Personalized Wedding Keepsake Box is a top choice. Coming in number 1. The Motion Books. The Motion Books Our Wedding Gold Foil Album is a masterpiece when it comes to preserving your cherished wedding memories. This wedding album boasts a lavish and elegant design that sets it apart. It's a top choice for those who want to encapsulate their special day with a touch of sophistication. The gold foil accents on the cover add a luxurious and timeless quality to this album. This album features high-quality, acid-free paper, ensuring your photograph stands the test of time without fading or yellowing. The motion books also offers a personalized touch by allowing you to customize the cover with your names and wedding date, making it a unique keepsake. Its 10 by 10 inch size offers ample space for all your favorite wedding pictures. The sturdy construction and attention to detail are apparent in every aspect of this album. It provides a protective box, adding an extra layer of care for your precious memories. The Motion Books Our Wedding Gold Foil Wedding Album is a perfect choice for those who value elegance and longevity in their wedding keepsake.